Tuesday, October 15th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. There's a look from the Avalon Pier web camera. Pretty gusty north wind still there along the coast, gusting to 18 miles per hour there. You can see the flag in the foreground really whipping around here during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. Much more docile over the Piedmont. This is a look from the Greensboro tower camera where it's 54 degrees, just a very light north wind. And in general, not nearly as much fog and drizzle out there this morning compared to what we had out there for our Monday morning. Yesterday, though, was another pretty cool day. Only 65 the high in Raleigh and Greensboro, up to 72 in Charlotte, 71 in Columbia, some 60s up in the mountains, 70s along the coast yesterday. Right now, 50s and a few low 60s. Just kind of a cool October morning, but a lot of these temperatures again in the low temperature territory, running a little bit above the average, while our highs have been running near to, in many cases, below average. On the radar imagery this morning, a lot of ground clutter to be found, but no actual rain across the Carolinas. Now here's the next storm system, an area of low pressure spinning over the eastern Dakotas, a little snow on the backside of that. Pretty good area of rain from Minnesota and Wisconsin down through Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, parts of Oklahoma and Arkansas as well. And that next storm system moving our way. Now again, it's kind of a cool morning over the eastern part of the country, but over the next 48 hours, our winds will actually temporarily switch around out of the southwest, and that's going to be bringing in some of the warmer areas. See, off to the southwest of us, it's 68 in Tupelo and Little Rock, 73 in Dallas, and I think we're going to be looking at some highs in the 70s, pretty much region-wide, coming up here over the next couple of afternoons. There's that next storm system. The main low pressure heading way off to the north up into Canada, but that trailing cold front will eventually play a role in our weather. Now, I still think tomorrow is going to be a quiet and dry day, although probably some clouds building back in as we get deeper into the day. But then as we get into Thursday, a little low pressure develops along the front, but you notice very little precipitation being printed out there by the GFS model, and most modeling is in agreement with that pretty insignificant precipitation scenario. In fact, you're looking at only 0.02 of an inch of rain being generated by the zero-Z GFS in Greenville, Spartanburg, Charlotte, and Greensboro. The European, right in the same territory, less than 1/10 of an inch. So the rain possibilities are there for us later Thursday, but it looks very insignificant overall. Tropics are quiet. Hardly a cloud in the Gulf of Mexico. A few clusters of storms in the Caribbean and the western Atlantic, but nothing showing any signs of mid-October tropical development. Hey, there's a great fall color photo there from our friends there at Grandfather Mountain. That photo by Skip Sickler, the Little Lost Cove Cliffs yesterday. Really nice shot there. And we are looking at the higher elevations there near peak fall color this week. And the lower elevations, the color beginning to fill in pretty nicely. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.